Bonnie. Happy Thursday. I am back. Oh my goodness. Check it out. I got a haul from Goose Creek Candle. This is the new Peanuts collection. Oh my gosh. I am so excited to dig into this. I'm going to do an unboxing. And then, of course, when Letty gets here, we'll be able to do another big video for these. But I'm particularly excited about this collection because I gotta say, the Peanuts are just so delightful. Charlie Brown, Snoopy, Linus, Peppermint Patty. I love them all, and I'm really curious to see what they did. So there's 3, 6, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. There's 10 in this collection? Oh my goodness, unless they threw an extra one in. They might have. Okay. Are you ready? Oh my gosh, these are so adorable. Oh my gosh, these are so cute. Oh my gosh, look at this. Okay, decorating the tree. This one is balsam Christmas tree, worn cedar, forest juniper, and apple wreath. This smells so good. It smells like a Christmas tree with cedar. Look at that green wax. Okay, I am loving these. Next up, we have skating with friends. Look at this. This one is cool peppermint, sweet vanilla, and crystallized sugar. Oh my gosh. Goose Creek does an incredible job with their peppermint sugar candles. That one is amazing. Okay, I needed that. Oh, look, they all say on the side, look, happiness is 75 years of peanuts. Look at how cute that is. Okay, look at this one. This one is Christmas with Friends. Fresh fir needles, bright orange zest, and warm clove. Oh my God, this is incredible. Orange and clove. These are really, really nice. Okay, next up, we have crisp fall days with the whole gang on there. This wax is incredible. Rustling leaves, spiced apple cider, and cozy harvest spice. These are all so strong. This is leaves. Cozy leaves that smell so good. Okay. Next up, we have, oh my gosh, Halloween. Halloween night. I'm so glad they included Halloween. Midnight fog, whipped vanilla, soft patchouli, and smoldering amber. Oh, you know what? This is interesting because the patchouli is mixing with the vanilla and the amber. So it kind of smells strong, but creamy. It smells really good. Oh, okay. I'm loving these. Next up, oh, the great pumpkin. Oh, my husband's going to be stealing this one. Sweet pumpkin, fresh ginger, warm nutmeg, and spiced cardigan. Cardigan. I just said spiced cardigan. I'm thinking warm cozy sweater. Spiced cardamom. Oh, my God. I cannot wait until Letty smells these. Oh, these are so nice. Okay. Apple picking. These are such a nice blend of fall and Christmas. Juicy apple, sparkling pear, and crisp green leaves. Oh, this one is good. It's apple and leaves. If you have anyone in your life who is a Peanuts, Snoopy, Charlie Brown fan, napping with Snoopy, they are going to love this collection. Vanilla cashmere, warm amber, and soft cedarwood. I can honestly say, so far, I love them all. These all have a really nice theme of just beautiful, cozy, Halloween, Christmas, fall, outdoorsy scents. These are amazing. Are there 10? There really are 10 of them. Wow. Okay. Snoopy and the gang. Check this one out. Oh, sugared lemonade, juicy orange, and daisy blossoms. Oh, how fun. This is really, like, interesting. Late fall lemonade. That's a really nice addition to this collection. And the final one is Happy Halloween with Snoopy. Oh my gosh. Spiced pumpkin, crushed clove, warm cinnamon, and rustic cedar wood. These are so good, you guys. This one, the cinnamon meets the pumpkin and the clove. I gotta say, I love every one of them. Every one of them. I love the designs. These are incredible. So anyway, check it out. Thank you so much to Goose Creek for sending me this collection to review and preview. I can't wait to share these with Lenny. I'll see you guys later. Bye-bye.